In this video, we're making a solid perfume for spring. The first thing you'll do is melt a teaspoon of beeswax and a tablespoon of carrier oil. I am using almond, and you will melt this over a double boiler or in a microwave. While that is melting, you can gather your essential oils and what kind of container you're going to put your solid perfume into. For this recipe, I'm using Happy Joy and Clary Sage. They're both like floral and uplifting, so perfect for spring. You can use a variety of containers for this. I think for this recipe, I am going to use this little tin. They are little makeup tins that Simply Earth sells, but anything like this with a lid that you can dab with your finger and get the product out of. So you can use just an empty tube, like a chapstick tube. These work great, and I've used this before. There's also just your standard like chapstick tubes, and if you want something prettier, Amazon has tons of different ideas. Once your beeswax is melted with the carrier oil, you can remove it from the heat and allow it to cool a little bit before adding in your essential oil. To make a floral spring perfume, I'm going to add 2 drops of Clary Sage and 2 drops of Happy Joy. It's a blend by Simply Earth, and this is geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang. Give your mixture a stir, and then you can pour it into the container that you're going to be storing the solid perfume in. Here's the perfume once it has cooled and solidified in the tin. These are great because they're longer lasting. You can also use this as lip balm. It's very versatile depending on which essential oils that you put in, and it smells so good.